Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I am going to keep going with my Sunday dinner series. That was one of the last videos I did on this channel a few weeks ago, and people seem to really like it. I don't do a lot of talking, I just kind of show the steps I do to make a particular meal. And in this one, I'm going to be making a turkey breast in the crock pot with Instant Pot mashed potatoes. I'll show you all the steps. I'll have below in the description the ingredients, but I'll also post the ingredients on the screen. So sit back, enjoy. I have some nice music playing, and I'll come back at the end to follow up. And that is it. We have our crock-pot turkey breast, which is actually one of my favorite ways to cook a turkey breast. We have our mashed potatoes made in the Instant Pot, which makes that process way easy. And I just added some snap peas as a vegetable, but you can add whatever vegetable you like broccoli or spinach or whatever you want to do. I do take the juices and I like to set it aside from the turkey and make a gravy, but I didn't this time, but you can also do that as well. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are into food videos and sometimes travel videos, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it and it really helps the channel. See you guys later. Bye.